still undefeated and bringing out that incredibly creepy mask. Trent Mercer last month at Fight to Unite put up the biggest fight yet against this man, this monstrous man. But in the end, it's Hastur's version of the end of days that was the end of Mercer's run in that matchup.
Ain't nothing about that scary. Come on, scared on you. You're not scaring me. Let's do it! Come on, Hastur! Hey! What are you doing?
It's your head in the game.
It's in the game.
No, it's not. I can see it. No,
you got it?
Yes, I got it. I got it.
Trent Mercer had concerns, vocalized concerns coming into this matchup that Hirsch in this handicap match may not be taking Hastur seriously, but for the first time now, Hirsch will be in the ring in action against Hastur. A double elbow, not even a one count though, as Hastur kicks out. Hirsch quickly back on top of Hastur. And there's the aggressiveness, the hyper-aggressiveness of Hastur, throwing Hirsch into his own corner. Tag made as the elbow was landed. Hastur running in, but Mercer now legal. And, oh man, up and down he goes. Choke bomb, essentially, cover. And a kick out as Hastur, was he hearing something from that mask? I'm beyond confused. I don't think anybody has this guy figured out, both emotionally and as an in-ring competitor. Mercer getting a little bit of space, but Hastur comes right back in. Shoulder tackle, cover, kicked out. Mercer kicks out as Hostage stands ready to return to this matchup. But definitive size advantage of Hastur over both of these men. You heard Hirsch urging Mercer, stay with me, and as Trent drops down in the shoulder, jamming into the jaw of Hastur, at least for a moment, Mercer is still with him, but unable to get to the corner, and Hastur now delivering that elbow, knocking Hirsch out of the way, and again, giving Hastur the opportunity to take out Mercer, but Mercer able to get to Hastur's back and wrap his arm around his throat. Is this going to be the moment? Nope, Hastur able to shed Trent, and Watchdog remains in big trouble. Hastur now repositioning and bringing Mercer down. A big ending-like maneuver is at the end of this contest. Kick out by Mercer as Hastur questions are official, but Brian confirming 2 count only. And again, Hastur is listening, it appears, to this mask.
Come on! Come on, come on, come on! Get out, get out! Get out.
Oh. Hastur pushed towards Brian. Brian is safe, but Hostage is in. And a clothesline, little to no effect. Repeated shots, though. Hostage is unrelenting. Hastur absorbing those blows, staying up maybe just because of the ropes. But in the end, holding onto the ropes, breaking the grip. Eventually sent off again, holding onto the ropes. But a boot up. And Hirsch has to deal with that shot. Hostage, though, man. Hostage showing, oh my gosh, flatliner. Flatliner. I was going to say stick to it, but now maybe an end of the matchup. A victory. No. No. Kick out. Hastur gets his shoulder up. most frightening things I've seen in Lions Pride Sports. And now Hastur. Oh my God, he's going for creep show. But a flying Superman punch by Mercer. And now going Hardy style. Oh my gosh, he caught him. Hastur caught Mercer. And now Hostage. Oh, a big boot as Hostage held Watchdog. Mercer and Hirsch are down, and Hastur, he looks unaffected by anything that has taken place over the past few minutes. Mercer again flying in, again a catch, and, oh gosh, using Mercer to take down Hirsch, and then just throwing Trent on top, cover on both men. If you didn't know before, Hostage, you know now. And Trent once again felt that power. 2 men, not enough tonight. How many men is going to be enough at any point? Hastur remains undefeated. And a stunned College Station crowd has witnessed another win. Thanks for watching Lions Pride Sports on YouTube. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Plus, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. For the very latest on Lions Pride Sports, visit our website, lionsprideproductions.com. You'll also find information on the Lions Den training facility there.